What's up everybody, in this video today we're going to be talking about a different payment method for Deel, and I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from your Deel account. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. Once you're in your Deel account, select withdraw methods, right? Then select add method. Now here you have a bunch of different methods that you can use to receive payments from Deel. The first method is bank transfer, right? Supported over 180 currencies. So when you select bank transfer, you're going to specify your full name, your country, and the currency for that bank account, right? You can choose between USD and Jamaican dollars. I'm seeing Jamaican dollars because I selected Jamaica. Now let's change it to another country. Let's say Angola, right? The only supported currency for Angola is USD, right? And then you need to specify the SWIFT code and the account number for your bank, right? You'll be charged a fee of $5. Please note that this is not the same for all countries. So if there's an intermediary bank, then you're going to select add intermediary bank details. So most of the times the intermediary banks are within the United States. So let's say you select United States, and then you'll just complete the information for the intermediary bank, right? So make sure you confirm this information with your local bank. So if I select Jamaica here, then from the drop down list it gives me the option to select the bank which I want to withdraw to, right? Then I'll specify the name on the account, right? So I'm just gonna say MR for now. Then you specify the account number and then the SWIFT code, right? So by now I think I know this out of my head. JNCBKXX, right? So this may not be correct. And then you select your bank code, right? Then you select your branch code as well. So when you scroll down in the list, you'll see the list of branch that you can choose from, and that will automatically select your branch code. Then you select your account type, whether it be savings or checking, right? And then you select savings. So I know the SWIFT code wouldn't be correct, right? So once you put in the correct SWIFT code, then you'll be able to proceed to next. So I'm going to cancel this. So I'm just going to cancel. Now let's go and add method again. Now here is another option, which is Revolut, right? Depending on which country you're from, you can get a Revolut account. Revolut is a multi-currency account which you can hold monies in different currencies. So if I select Revolut, right, then it's going to ask me for my Revolut details. So your phone number is really unique when it comes on to Revolut. So once you specify your phone number and then select add, then it will add that payment method. Now let's look at the other payment method, which is PayPal. You all know PayPal. Once you specify your PayPal email and then select add, right, then it will send a verification code for you to your email, and then you specify that verification code here. Now I'm going to cancel this. Now once that verification code is specified, you can then withdraw money to your PayPal. Now let's look at the other option. We now have Wise. Wise is another online bank or multi-currency platform that allows you to hold monies in several different accounts, right? So from the drop down, as you can see, there's a variety of currency you can choose from. So let's say US, right? And then you're going to specify your ACH and account number as well as your account type, and then select add, right? So I'm going to cancel that option. Or add method again. You have Payoneer. Payoneer is similar to Wise to an extent, right? So once you select that, it will use your email address, and then you'll need to specify the verification code sent to your email, right? So I'm going to cancel that option. Let's look at another payment method. As you know, Coinbase and Binance are for cryptocurrencies, right? So let's say we select Binance. It's going to ask you which currency do you want to get paid in. So if you select the drop down, you can see that you can get paid in Dash, Ethereum, and Solana. So if we select Bitcoin and then select next, then it will reroute you to Coinbase for you to log into your account, right? And then your account will be added. So I'm going to select Hex here, and it will be similar for Binance. So let's select Binance. So here you'd specify your email address for Binance, and also you'd specify your Binance Pay ID. If you don't know what your Binance Pay ID is, you can contact Binance to get your Binance Pay ID. So those are the different payment methods for Deel. So once you have successfully added your payment method, you'll be able to withdraw to your bank account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.